अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टेस्टिंग मास्टर। व्यूवर्स, आज की वीडियो सिंध पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में होने वाला जूनियर क्लर्क के पेपर का है, जो कि 22 मार्च 2021 को हुआ है। चलते हैं दोस्तों इस पेपर को हल करने के लिए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए। तो हमारा आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, पाकिस्तान इज चेयरमैन ऑफ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। Group 77. First Governor General of Pakistan was Quaid-e-Azam. Oldest University of Pakistan is University of Punjab. Shortcut key of center is Control plus E. Shortcut key of justification is Control plus J. File extension of Word is dog or dogs. Supreme Commander of Armed Forces is President of Pakistan. Drop cap used maximum line are 10. Length of common length between India and Pakistan border is 3,323 km or 2,065 miles. Retirement age of Supreme Court judges is 65 years. By default, header and the footer printed on every page. Background color is not visible in which preview? Print preview. Largest river of Pakistan is Indus River. When became the Hunza part of Pakistan? 1974. Function of end key is move cursor to the end of line. Function of Control plus O in MS Access is to open file. His correctly fill in the blanks views on examination method at university level are used fill in the blanks in those who want to introduce innovative and flexible pattern of assessment. Hidebound and annotation. Antonym of acerbity is gentleness. Choose the correct preposition. A garden was adjacent fill in the blanks building. 2. Complete the sentence with best suitable option. It is an uphill task, but you will have to do it means it is very difficult task, but you have to do it. Identify the part of a speech in inverted commas. This is not the time to consider why and the wherefore of the situation. Noun. Why is a noun. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank space. If you fill in the blanks keen, we can still do it. If you are keen. Choose a set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as whole. Salman presents himself as a bold journalist by asking people in politics the kind of fill in the blanks question that other reporters say. Controversial. Choose an appropriate option that is similar in meaning to the given idiomatic expression. Out of one's base. Out of one's base means utterly wrong about something. The task seemed impossible, but somehow Khalil fill in the blanks very skillfully in the end. Pulled it out. He never fill in the blanks her in the near past. Written. To find the volume of an irregular solid, you must fill in the blanks. Archimedes' principles. Apply. You must apply. Choose an appropriate option to fill in the blank space. Our house is a lot fill in the blanks than their house. Bigger. Our house is a lot bigger than their house. His position was contrary to that of the teachers. Opposite. Antonym of acquitted is convicted. Ahmed's fill in the blank space of the topic was so good that students had few double to raise at the end. Exposition. Complete the sentence with appropriate option. They filling the blanks the advantage that would occur to them. Should have to calmly thought of. The counter clerk was very busy and fill in the blanks not pay any fill in the blanks to the customer's request. Did attention. Choose an appropriate option to fill in the blank space. I told fill in the blanks that fill in the blanks would have to cut down on unnecessary expenditures. Him and we. I told him and we. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank space. My mother needed rest, fill in the blanks. She stayed up till returned. Because. He likes watching TV, fill in the blanks, evening. In the evening. If 3 clothes are dried up together in 2 hours, in how many hours can 6 clothes be dried up together? Two hours. Pointing to a man in a photograph, a woman said his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How the woman related to that man in the photograph? Sister. Pointing to a man in a photograph, Amir said she is the daughter of the father of the sister of my brother. How is that in photograph related to Amir? None of these, it will be sister. She will be his sister. Maryam said to her friend, yesterday I attended the birthday party of the son of the only son-in-law of my mother's mother. How is Maryam related to the man whose birthday party she attended? Sister. When MS Word flags a possible spelling or grammar error, it also changes the mark on the spelling and grammar status icon to a fill in the blanks. Red X. Which of the following are word processing software? All of these in the paper. What will be the use of Ctrl plus J? Align, justify. In MS Access, press Ctrl plus O to open an existing database. End key, fill in the blanks. Move the cursor end of the line. Fill in the blanks option in file pull down menu is used to close a MS Word document. Close. What is the full form of VGA? Video Graphics Array. Which statement describe hackers break into other people's computer? There is fill in the blank stage in Holy Quran. Save on stage. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा आज का. Laws about orphanage revealed in 3rd Hijri. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe and like our channel. शुक्रिया.